Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Apte, and today what I'm going to be talking about is, well, a little introduction to Ayurveda and Marma points. Ayurveda is an ancient holistic system from India, and the way Ayurveda is practiced is based on 5 different approaches, and these are foods, herbs, massages, yoga, and lifestyle. And out of this, Ayurveda gives a lot of importance to massages too, because there is a saying in Ayurveda which goes as, do not put anything on your skin that you can't put on your tongue. Likewise, anything that we put on the skin also has to be very safe, and of course something which is like food, so that even if you did put it on your tongue or swallowed, it would still be safe for anyone. But of course, whenever we talk about massages too, Ayurveda concentrates a lot on something called as Marma points or energy points, and therefore any kind of massage that is given in Ayurveda, we consciously or subconsciously always incorporate the Marma points. Talking of Marma points, of course, these are nothing but energy centers. So perhaps it's like 2 different energy centers which is connected by an energy channel. Now, if any kind of energy or toxins were to be blocked in this energy center, and when the energy doesn't flow well, then that leads to what is called as disease or perhaps aging too. Therefore, whenever we talk about anti-aging in Ayurveda, we again concentrate a lot on massaging the Marma points. Now let's see what exactly these Marma points are, and perhaps a few Marma points on the face. Now coming to the Marma points on the face, the one that many people know and are aware of is something called as a third eye point, and this particular point is exactly in the center of the 2 eyebrows and perhaps slightly above. And the way we massage Marma points in Ayurveda is that we always start off with an anti-clockwise stroke, because the anti-clockwise stroke helps to get rid of any kind of blocked energy or toxins, and of course it is a detoxifying cleansing stroke. And after we have applied the anti-clockwise stroke, then we go on to do the clockwise stroke. Now this particular stroke, of course, is very nourishing. That means once all the blocked energy has been removed, this particular stroke actually helps to give some energy or nourishment to that particular Marma point. Likewise, the clockwise stroke is also very calming and relaxing. So this is the basic principle of massaging any Marma point on the body, and of course on the face too. Now whenever we look at Marma points, let's say on the face, and of course because a lot of people do talk about anti-aging and wanting to look and feel young, and perhaps one of the best things that you can do is to massage the Marma points on the face on a regular basis. And today I will show you perhaps just 4 or 5 different Marma points on the face, which you will see that when you start massaging and working on, you will see a huge difference in the texture of your skin and the status of your skin too. So of course the first one is the third eye point, and that is the one that you start off with. That is anti-clockwise and clockwise. Then after you have done that, then you go down to the points on either side of the forehead, that is the temples. If you see a lot of women, not only women but even men, they start suffering from fine lines around the outer side of the eyes. The reason for that is because these Marma points have been blocked by any kind of toxin or energy. And then of course then again massaging, that is anti-clockwise and then clockwise, would help to get rid of these blocked energy or toxins from this particular Marma point, and likewise as a result it also helps to get rid of any fine lines around here. And then after that, as you come down, there are 2 Marma points on either side of the mouth. Now these 2 Marma points too, of course again we start off by massaging anti-clockwise and then clockwise. Then of course you will see that many people also suffer from fine lines and wrinkles around here. So this particular Marma point when massaged will help to get rid of the fine lines and wrinkles around here too. And the next set of Marma points are on the either side of the nose, that is the outer corners of the nose. And then the same principle is followed, first anti-clockwise and then clockwise. Then therefore any fine lines and wrinkles that you see around the nose or this area of the nose, you will help to get rid of them by just massaging the Marma points over here. Of course, that is about the strokes that you would use to be able to get rid of the fine lines and wrinkles, but to be able to help enhance the effects, what you could also do is use some Ayurvedic based creams and products to be able to enhance the effects of these strokes. And one of the best creams that you can use is something called as the Vata face cream by Ayurveda Pura. And of course, this particular face cream has all natural ingredients, including aloe vera and different herbs and ingredients that actually help to get rid of toxins from the body, but at the same time it also helps to replenish any kind of lost nutrients and even moisture from the skin.